Hi everyone! This video is a tutorial on this monochromatic makeup look. This brown toned look matches any outfit and occasion. If you are interested in achieving this look, just keep on watching. First, I'm starting off with these complexion products for my base. I'm using this primer oil as usual to hydrate my skin. This primer has different oils that also help reduce fine lines. I'm using Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue for SPF and also a base before my foundation. This does not have any coverage, but it helps even out my skin texture. This has been my favorite foundation this year. This stick foundation from Milk has medium coverage and does not include silicone. Next, I'm using loose powders in two different shades. One is very fair and the other one is closer to my skin tone. First, I'm taking some of the medium shade on a brush and setting my face. I'm mainly focusing on my cheeks, around my nose and mouth, and my temples. Then with a sponge, I'm placing some of the fair shade under my eyes, in the center of my forehead, and on the bridge of my nose. Since I have dry skin, I'm going to dust the powder off immediately. I feel that using two different loose powder shades helps create a natural subtle contrast. Instead of a blush, I'll be using two bronzers with different undertones. The bronzer on the left has a peach undertone and the one on the right has more of a red undertone. First, I'm using a large fluffy face brush to apply the bronzer with the peach undertone on my cheekbones and on my temples. Then I'm taking some bronzer with a red undertone on a blush brush and applying it on the cheeks. For highlight, I'm using the Flawless filter to add some glow. I'm dotting some on the high points of my cheeks and blending it in with a sponge. For lips, I'm using a warm brown tone lip liner and a sheer pink lip gloss. For my eyebrows, I'm using a dark brown brow pencil and a tinted brow gel. I'm first filling in my brows with a pencil. Then I'm making my brow color a little lighter with a tinted brow gel. For the eyes, I'm using 3 brown matte shadows in this palette. First, I'm priming my eyelids and setting them with loose powder. Using a fluffy shader brush, I'm applying the shade Necessary all over the lid. I start along the lash line and slowly blend the color upward. Then I'm taking a red-toned medium brown shade called Churro on the same brush. I'm stamping it along the lash line where I want the most pigment first and blending my way up. I'm taking the dark brown shade Cheens on an eyeliner brush and creating a small wing. I have a dedicated video on how to create a natural wing if you are interested. I'm connecting the wing to the outer third of the lower lash line. For this look, I'm applying false lashes above my lashes. If you are interested in applying them under your lashes, I have a dedicated video on how to do it safely. And this is the final eye look. I hope this video was helpful and gave you an idea for creating a natural looking monochromatic makeup look. All the products used in this video are listed below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!